International Fero Metals produces ferrochrome, the essential ingredient in stainless steel. Ferrochrome provides stainless steel with its anti-corrosive, heat-resistant and shiny properties. The demand for stainless steel and ferrochrome has increased by over 5% per annum over the last 20 years. International Fero Metals is an LSE-listed integrated ferrochrome producer that commenced production in January 2007. Its current production capacity represents over 3% of global ferrochrome supply, and the company plans to increase this capacity by 150%. International Fero Metals aims to be the world's lowest cost ferrochrome producer through the use of the latest technology and an integrated mine and processing plants. International Fero Metals' current chromite resources are sufficient to be able to produce 665,000 tons of ferrochrome per year, representing 250% of current production capacity for more than 40 years. Following the proposed facility expansion, this increased production capacity is forecast to represent over 6% of global ferrochrome supply. Jichuan Iron and Steel Group Company, JISCO, the largest steel manufacturer in northwest China, is IFM's largest shareholder. JISCO is a strategically important partner that also provides a guaranteed offtake agreement to acquire approximately 40% of the company's current ferrochrome production, or 120,000 ton per annum at market price. A further 20% of production is covered by a guaranteed purchase agreement from CMC Co Metals, a metals trading company listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The balance of production is sold by JISCO and CMC Co Metals on an agency basis. To support International Fero Metals' planned expansion, these offtake partners have collectively agreed to double their guaranteed purchases. The International Fero Metals head office is in Sydney, Australia, and the production facilities are located in Moinoi, in the northwest province of South Africa. The facility is 60 kilometers west of the capital city, Pretoria. International Fero Metals produces ferrochrome from a chromite ore body located in the Bushveld Igneous Complex. The mining process consists of drilling the ore face, blasting and sweeping the ore down gullies onto a conveyance system, and extracting the broken ore to the surface for further processing by conveyor belt. International Fero Metals is the only ferrochrome producer with conveyor belts taking the ore from the mine face right through to the smelter. This provides significant production cost savings over other ferrochrome producers who need to cart ore by rail or truck. Mining at Buffelsfontein is a semi-mechanized operation which extracts 80,000 tons of chromite ore per month. Up to 500 people work underground at any one time to reach run-of-mine ROM targets. Employing almost 1,000 people, IFM has an outstanding safety record. Its lost time injury incident rate of 1.04 is significantly lower than the industry average of 9.27. Indeed, IFM constantly receives accolades for its safety achievements, and the provision of a safe work environment is our foremost priority at Lesedi Mine. Ore extracted from the mine is crushed to -85 mm. This ore is then fed into the beneficiation plant, where the entrenched waste is separated from the ore. The design of the beneficiation plant caters for the separate treatment and storage of different ore streams. The streams are managed independently in order to respond to quality variations without impacting on stockpiling, plant availability, or processing efficiency. For the ore preparation, International Fero Metals opted for a pelletizing and sintering plant that incorporates patented Autotech technology. This extremely energy-efficient process produces strong, high-quality pellets with low binder requirements and high chrome content. The capacity of the plant is 400 kilotons of sintered pellets per annum, conforming to size and strength specifications. Ferrochrome is then produced using submerged arc furnaces. Environmentally, IFM has also excelled. The company is the only South African ferrochrome producer without a serious, substantial environmental liability from operating open furnaces. Competitors using open furnaces may face future challenges to this environmentally insensitive technology if legislation is introduced as expected. This further tightens ferrochrome supply in what is already a producer's market. To produce ferrochrome, chromite lumpy ore, pellets, carbon, quartz and limestone are mixed in a pre-calculated composition. The material mix is fed into furnaces, where the ferrochrome alloy is produced via a reduction process of the chromite ore to elemental chrome. The casted alloy from the furnaces is crushed and screened to different sizes according to customer specification. This alloy is then transported to South Africa's main ports by road or rail for export to stainless steel producers around the world. Construction of 3 additional 66 MVA smelting furnaces is planned to commence in the first half of this year. Together with a pelletizing and sintering plant capable of producing an additional 700,000 tonnes per annum and beneficiation plant, IFM's expanded production capacity is expected to come online towards the end of 2009. International Ferrometals has acquired an 80% interest in Sky Chrome Mining. This company has a new order prospecting right and has virtually completed prospecting activities of Sky Chrome's substantial ore reserves. In total, IFM's mines will produce 2.4 million tonnes run-of-mine material per annum to produce the required tonnes of ferrochrome. International Ferrometals continually strives to improve its sustainability and production processes and to remain a world-class, highly responsible and respected producer of ferrochrome. The company's main value is one of respect. Respect for the country's laws, the environment, our employees' well-being and safety, and of course, for our shareholders and customers. International Ferrometals moved to the main board of the London Stock Exchange on the 31st of August 2007 and was subsequently included in the FTSE 250 on the 24th of December 2007. Investing in IFM is an investment in excellence.